Welcome to this tutorial on how to pay using Klarna Pay in 4. Klarna is a popular payment service that allows you to split your purchases into 4 interest-free installments. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to use Klarna Pay in 4. First, ensure that the merchant you are shopping with accepts Klarna as a payment method. You can usually find this information on the merchant's website or at the checkout page. Once you have confirmed that Klarna is accepted, proceed to the checkout page and select Klarna as your payment method. You will then be redirected to the Klarna website where you will need to create an account or log into your existing account. If you are a new user, you will be required to provide some personal and financial information to complete the sign-up process. After logging in, you will be presented with the payment options, including Pay in 4. Select Pay in 4 and review the payment schedule, which will show you the amount you need to pay and the due dates for each installment. The first payment will be due immediately, and the remaining 3 payments will be due every 2 weeks. You will receive reminders before each payment is due, and you can also view your payment schedule at any time in your Klarna account. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees. You can make payments online or through the Klarna app, and you can also set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. As a best practice, make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover each payment, and review your budget to ensure you can afford the installments. It is also crucial to read and understand the terms and conditions of Klarna Pay in 4 before making a purchase. In summary, using Klarna Pay in 4 is a straightforward process that allows you to split your purchases into 4 interest-free installments. By following these steps and best practices, you can enjoy a convenient and flexible payment option that helps you manage your finances effectively. Remember to always make your payments on time and review your payment schedule regularly to avoid any issues.